Hopefully 2012 will bring good news for the housing market and prices will finally stabilize. Prices dropped another 5% or so nationwide in 2011, and economists are forecasting that to reverse course in 2012. They're expecting in 95% of the nation's metro areas, so pretty much most of the country, will actually see a slight uptick in prices. Now, I should emphasize the word slight because they're predicting a 0.25% increase for 2012. So basically, consumers are just going to feel that prices are going to stabilize and stop falling. So if you're gearing up to buy a home, 2012 will be a great year. You have cheap prices, record low mortgage rates, and in most places, very little competition. But you want to focus on smaller homes in areas that are close to restaurants and retail stores because those McMansions that were coveted during the boom simply aren't in demand anymore. So that when it goes time to sell, you're going to have a much easier time unloading a home that's not 3,500 square feet, way out in the outskirts. So the good news for buyers in 2012 is that economists aren't expecting rates to climb above 5%. So they're going to stay between 4 and 5%. The bottom line is even if they go up a little bit, that's still a great interest rate. So you want to take advantage of it. I do think we've gotten through the worst of the foreclosure issue, just in the sense that not as many people down the road will be going into foreclosure. So our challenge now is to work through the inventory of the people that are already in trouble, that are in that foreclosure pipeline, or the homes that are already sitting empty. I think the one thing that we've learned throughout this housing boom and bust is that buying is a great thing if it's appropriate for you at that moment, given your lifestyle, your goals, and your income, frankly, and your financial situation. And so if you are sort of setting roots somewhere, 2012 is a great time to buy, and I think you'd be very smart to do it. On the other hand, if there is a chance that your job is at risk or that you will plan to move in a year or two, then you're much better off renting. And I do think that people are going to be asking themselves that question more than they used to.